Whoa, the fidget spinner's coming! Whoa! You're not gonna get me! Yeah! You're an evil fidget spinner! Yeah! You should have never escaped that toy store! Yeah!
Give me that yummy gummy. I'm Gus the Gummy Gator.
Hey, little gears! Today we're gonna go shopping at the toy store. We're looking for some fidget spinners. You I think we found some. Look at that. It's a whole school of fidget spinners. All right. Let's get them all going. Whoa, we lost one. Looking good. Let's see if we can build a tower of fidget spinners. All right, we got 3 going. What happened to this one? No! Rats. Guess we gotta try again. All right, now we got a tower of 3 fidget spinners. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, our top one stopped. Let's make it bigger. Wah! Not a good idea. All right, now we got 4 fidget spinners. No, rats, we lost one. Back down to 3. Hey, look what I can do. Uh-oh, it stopped. All right, I got another one. Now if I just don't move too much. Yeah, look at me. I'm okay. I'm all right. All right, now we got most of our fidget spinners spinning. Looking good. Wait a minute. What's that? Whoa! It's a giant fidget spinner! Whoa! Where'd you come from? I wonder if he wants to play. Come on, you can join all my fidget spinner toys. Whoa, let's get a closer look. Look at that. It says YouTube. I wonder if YouTube sent this thing. Come on, you can come play. Why are you floating up here all by yourself? What? Whoa! Whoa, that's not nice! No! It's an evil fidget spinner! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Officer Petey! Well, hi, Gus. What seems to be the trouble? There's a giant fidget spinner that's chasing me, and it's shooting out lasers! A fidget spinner shooting lasers? They do exist. Wow, I haven't seen those since my days as a security guard at Area 51. We better get going. Sound the alarm. Code red. Come on, I gotta go get the boys. Officer Petey, wait! Don't leave me! Whoa, the fidget spinner's coming! Whoa! You're not gonna get me! Yeah! You're an evil fidget spinner! Yeah! You should have never escaped that toy store! Yeah! I've had enough! Time to fight fidget spinner fire with fidget spinner fire! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Take that! Yeah! Yeah! You're going down, mister! Yeah! 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 Whew, what a day it's been, defeating the evil fidget spinner! Yo, hey, Officer Petey, what you doing? Oh, hi, Gus. I'm on the run. You're on the run from what? That giant fidget spinner. What's that on your head? This is my tinfoil hat. It's so they don't hear what you're thinking. The fidget spinners. They can hear your thoughts and trace your brain waves. Brain waves? What's that? Sounds important. So where can I get me one of those hats? Looks kind of funny. I like it. Well, Gus, I could make you your own hat, you know. Wait a minute, I think I hear something. Whoa! It's a giant blue fidget spinner! No! It followed us here. It hears what we're thinking. Officer Petey, where are you going? I gotta go, Gus. No, Officer Petey, come back. No, not again. Yeah, yeah, whoa! Whoa, just missed that one. Yeah! You're gonna pay for all this, you evil fidget spinner. Yeah! Yeah, you're not gonna get me! No, never! Yeah, you're not gonna get me! Yeah, too quick for you! Whoa! Yeah, you can't get me back here! Whoa! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I think I'm stuck. Whoa! There he is! No! You're not gonna get me! I'm stuck! Whoa! Bet you can't get me over here. Whoa! You missed. Not Superman! Over here! Whoa! Not the gumbo machine! No, right, we found a new hiding spot. He's never gonna find us here. Ain't that right, Marshall? Marshall? What? Whoa! Take cover! Try that again, will ya? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Whoa! That's it! I've had enough! Time to fight this fidget spinner with another fidget spinner! Take that! That didn't do anything! Looks like I'm losing! Wait a minute, I've got one more fidget spinner! Come on, don't fail me now! Take that! We've defeated the evil fidget spinner! You're not gonna be around anymore to scare anybody! Yeah! It's been a nice day's work! Well, I hope you had fun today, little Gators! Thanks for watching! See you next time!
If you had fun today, click my other videos to see me and my yummy gummies. Click on the red button to subscribe to watch more of my videos and my yummy gummy adventures.